When I first graduated college, I was a social studies teacher up in Massachusetts. Being in front of the classroom, you're on stage, you have a captive audience. You have to convey information. You have to try to get through to all different types of students, all different types of learners. Starting my professional career as a teacher really lent itself well into becoming a trial attorney, which is what I do. If you think about a teacher being in front of a class every day, basically it's like being a trial attorney, trying to advocate for your client and convince 6 jurors that your perspective is right, that your client is right. And that type of advocacy, whether it's in the classroom or the courtroom, just meld very well together.
I did have a really serious car accident 6 years ago where I almost lost my life and had to have several surgeries and had multiple broken bones from a car crash where I was just stopped at a red light when somebody rear-ended me doing 60 miles an hour. I think that wasn't something that I wanted to have happen to me, but it certainly made me more empathetic because I understand what people are going through now, even more so because I've been a victim myself. When I talk to my clients, I'm not just on the outside looking in, talking from personal experiences.
I believe it was 2017, I was at work. I was working with a backhoe. We were setting up steel curbing for the city. We were moving down to the position and it came down and right on top of my foot and crushed it. The fear of not being able to support your family, pay your bills and all that. My daughter Madison knew Mr. Brian Murphy of RGLZ. She said, give him a call and see what he says and what he'll do. Because of the way Brian handles himself and the professionalism that he has and the knowledge that he had made me feel really comfortable and at ease. He always kept me in the loop, always told me what was going on. Me using RGLZ was quite substantial for me to secure my family's future. I can't say enough about the guy. He changed my life significantly. Don't second guess yourself when you get injured. Call RGLZ, personal injury attorneys, and they'll take care of you. Nothing else could say, it's 100% truth.
At this point in time, that is the most rewarding aspect of my career, is just the ability to have such a positive, profound impact upon the outcome of people's lives. That I love second to none at this point.
My promise to every single one of our clients is that you're going to have one group of people working on your case from the beginning until the end. You'll always know that we are going to advocate tirelessly for you, that we're going to leave no stone unturned to maximize your recovery and make sure that your future is protected.